Namaste friends, I am Guruji. Today we are making a video for Bank Nifty. So this is Bank Nifty future. So we are doing a separate two videos. One is a Nifty future and another one is a Bank Nifty future. So I will try to upload today onwards on Bank Nifty view also. So that if any Bank Nifty lover, I am a Bank Nifty trader. Okay. So if any Bank Nifty lover, you can plan the trade based on the level. These levels are have their own soul. Okay, keep this information in your back of the mind. This is a future chart, Bank Nifty future continuation chart, 30-minute time frame, and this is a market profile, time price opportunity. Let's have some discussion on here. So there is a good opportunity when the market is opening nearby previous day low. That means 44,500. Okay, if the open is sustaining here, then my direct target is 44,000. Okay, 44,000. 780 is a first target. Okay, 780 is a first target. Second target 45,000. That is a psychological level. Okay, psychological level 45,000. Okay, any acceptance there? Again, this is a supply zone. That means 45,200. Okay, 45,200. If market opening gap down or nearby previous day low, then if open is holding, market is moving up, that means the open is holding, then my target is 780, 45,000, 45,200. So these are the target and these are the levels which is on the upside. If market opening flat, that means market opening inside in between 45,000 and in between 780, then this is a non-trading zone for me. This 200 points in Bank Nifty, that is a non-trading zone for me. Okay, so if I will wait what is happening here. Okay, any acceptance below, then I will go for a short. Then direct target is previous day low. Okay, so if acceptance anything above, then direct target is 250. Then this gap filling odds. Okay, this gap filling odds, that means this a poor selling was happening on Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday. So this is a pakka weaker hand selling. Pakka. The C period low is pakka weaker hand selling. So market is here. Okay, this 45,500 level market will reach today, 45,500 level. If market opening flat, then market spending and moving up, then there is a direct target. First a small supply here, then direct target could be this territory, 45,500. Okay, we just discussed on the below previous day open and flat open. Any open above 45,000, just any acceptance here at this supply zone, that means 45,000 to 15. Okay, 215, then direct target could be 45,500. This 300 400 points we can make use of that on the above side. Here if market opening and coming down, I will never look for a shorting. Why? Because after this much of fall, this is a psychological thinking. Okay, you have to think out of the box. What happened last 2 days? Market was big red candle was happened in the candlestick, but here we are seeing that there is a poor selling or square off. Some option sellers are got trapped. Whatever you name it, you can name it. But after 2 days continuous fall, if market opening gap up, okay, gap up again after opening gap up, then you have to think that why this gap up is happening. Why? What? Where? This question always you ask to the market. Market itself will give you the information. Market itself will write the exam. Right answer he will give you. Okay, that is the beauty of market. So after opening gap up, this much of gap up, this much of fall, then this much of gap up, then you have to think any acceptance on rejection at this supply zone. What is happening in this particular supply zone, whether this supply is good or bad. Okay, this is how you have to work it out. Any big gap up I will avoid. Any gap down, okay, gap down we'll discuss in the Telegram channel. You can join our Telegram channel. Do like our channel, subscribe, comment in our comment box. Thank you very much.